Steal any of my passengers and you'll pay for it, my friend. You'll pay dearly.
Time to dish out some justice. Wiggum style. All for Wiggum.
Please take me to my store. I hope that shoplifters did not steal too many squishies.
Just think how fast we could go if my siren worked. Just say no to drugs, stay in school, yada, yada, yada.
Thank you for your prompt service. Perhaps we can do business in the future.
Take me to Seymour's house. If anyone asks, just tell them we're marking tests.
It's Wiggum time. Sometimes I keep a sandwich in my holster. Don't take my badge. I need it for stuff.
You sure drive better than Seymour.
Clancy's got you now.
Oh, take me home, please. It's very tiring being so righteous all the time.
Good thing this car belongs to the city. He was probably a criminal. Be cool, perp.
Praise be the glory of God.
You're coming with me.
Can you take me to the retirement castle? Grandpa needs a sponge bath.
I tell you to buckle up, but someone stole the seatbelts. That's a moving violation.
Get him, Smithers.
See you around, dirtbag.
Oh, that was the coolest.
Lucky for you, I didn't answer that 911 call.
Whoa, dude, I'm glad you came along.
Just think how fast we could go if my siren worked.
You're only prolonging the inevitable, my friend.
Good thing I'm a cop, or I'd be in real trouble.
Man, that sucked!
Don't sit on my gun.
Yeah. Can you give an old seabird a lift?
Sometimes I keep a sandwich in my holster. Ow, my tushy. Easy money.
Har, we'll be seeing you around then.
Ralphie, what's a good word?
Haste makes my pockets sticky. Can I go home? The leprechaun tells me to burn things.
Good thing this car belongs to the city. What's a big idea? Nice work, Clancy.
Thanks. You're the bestest driver ever.
Well, if it isn't Homer Simpson.
Please don't take me to jail. I have a family to feed. Take me home, or I am too drunk to walk.
I tell you to buckle up, but someone stole the seatbelts. Smashy, smashy. I speed pretty good for a cop.
Woo! You should be in Cannonball Run.
It's Wiggum time.
I need to go to the Quickie Mart to get zit cream. A lot of zit cream.
I tell you to buckle up, but someone stole the seatbelts. Ow, my tushy. Be cool, perp.
What an average trip.
Just get me out of here. No questions, all right? I'll pay handsomely. Lucky for you, I didn't answer that 911 call. Good thing this car belongs to the city. Nice work, Clancy.
Thanks for nothing, pal. Next time I'll walk.
All for Wiggum.
No es facile.
Just think how fast we could go if my siren worked.
Get him, Smithers.
What's a big idea?
How dare you defy me?
See you around, dirtbag.
Gracias, I guess.
Clancy's got you now.
Take me somewhere happy.
Sometimes I keep a sandwich in my holster.
I need to walk now.
Don't take my badge. I need it for stuff.
Yeah, time for some mass destruction, man.
Thank you.
Don't sit on my gun. Good thing this car belongs to the city. Whoa! That was a big one. Easy money.
You're an octowussy.
Hey, no fair. I was just getting warmed up.
Hey, your rating is...
Insane.